Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to Shishu World. Today we are here and sharing with you a very simple recipe for baby food made of rice, dal and apple. I'm sure your kid is going to enjoy it and so will you. Subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button and do not forget to hit the notification bell. So let us have a look at what all ingredients we are going to need for this recipe. We're going to make apple khichdi, which is very much like like the regular khichdi that we make, but with a little difference with the addition of apples. It is also very nutritious, and the child will not miss the lack of sugar or salt in the recipe. So we have 2 tablespoons of rice here. We have washed it very well and then soaked it for 15 to 20 minutes. Similarly, we have taken a tablespoon of moong dal and washed it and soaked it for 15 minutes. We have taken half a large apple which we have cut into pieces, cleaned it completely, removed the peel and pith, everything. We have half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of ghee and a piece of cinnamon stick. We're using a whole stick so that it is easier for us to remove it once the khichdi has been prepared. So to start making this khichdi, we are going to heat a pressure cooker. Always take a small pressure cooker for baby food so that you can cook only the required quantity and there is no need to make food in a large bunch. And this way you will also have less leftovers and you can always cook fresh food for your baby. So here we have taken ghee and then added the cumin seeds to it, and then we wait for them to splutter. So as soon as the cumin seeds start spluttering, we add the dal. It takes barely a few seconds, and now we'll add all the dal and just roast it for again for 10 to 20 seconds, and then we add the rice. There is a little bit of water which is fine because we do not want it to get stuck to the bottom. You can also add a little more water just to help in mixing the ingredients well. Now we will mix everything together and let them cook for about a minute, and then we add the apples. Now because we are making it for very young children, we are not using any sugar or salt in this recipe, but the apple provides a very nice subtle sweetness to this, and we have also added the cinnamon stick. And finally we add water. Add about a cup of water. Because we are making it for very young babies, you can add more water as well so that it remains a lot runny. Now once it starts coming to a boil, that is when we will close the cooker and then cook it for 3 whistles on medium heat. So wait for it to come to a boil and then we will close it. After you turn off the heat, wait for the cooker to release the steam on its own. So now the cooker has cooled down and you can see it's cooked very well, completely mushed. I can use a spoon and just mash it with the help of it. There's no need to blend it. So if your child is not taking blended food, you can just mash it roughly, remove the cinnamon stick and then serve it to your baby. Or if you want to make it a little more porridgey, you can add a little more water to it. It's all up to you. But this khichdi is completely ready, very nutritious and very healthy. So I'm sure you and your baby are both going to enjoy this recipe. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and also share this video with all your friends and family. And please remember that this video is also available in Hindi. And if you have any comments, do let us know those as well. We'll see you again very, very soon with another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.